All right, you're good to go.
All right. Hi, friends. Today we're going to make bird feeders. This is what they look like.
What you'll need is some butter, almond butter, peanut butter, anything that you have at home that will stick to it, popsicle sticks, and toilet paper holders, or you can also do paper towel holders. We're just going to make smaller ones today.
And then yarn.
So what you want to do is get your peanut butter, your sun butter, and your popsicle stick and kind of spread it on your roll. And you just want to spread it evenly all around the roll. This is so watery.
I know. Don't spread easily, though.
And then once you have it all spread around, you're just gonna roll it into the birdseed. I don't know if we said you need birdseed, but
You need birdseed.
You just wanna kind of roll it around in there so it sticks.
So it's pretty much covered.
And it sticks pretty nicely, actually.
And
And then
then you will take your string and you'll put your string through the paper towel holder.
put it up this way, and then tie a knot at the top. There we go.
And then you have a bird feeder. And you just hang it from the tree and let the birds enjoy it. You know.
I'm trying to get it there. My fingers are small.
You got it.
There we go. Okay,
There you go.
there's our finished bird feeders, and just tie them, hang them on your tree, anywhere in your yard that you prefer, and watch the birds come eat them.
If you guys do this, take pictures and send videos so we can see what yours looks like.
And have fun. It's a nice, easy spring project.
Bye, friends.
Bye, everybody.